Suzuki SV650X. The SV650 Best Motorcycle Review gets a retro makeover with new café racer styling. There is no denying the SV650X is a lazy attempt at retro by Suzuki, as it is little more than a few bolt-on parts added to an aging bike. But in the SV650, Suzuki have added these parts onto a brilliant base, and that makes the X surprisingly appealing. It's great fun to ride, reasonably well priced, and an absolute back road weapon. But by the same token, it's also just an SV in disguise, which is a bit disappointing. Suzuki have unveiled the new color options available on their V-Strom 650 and SV650 for 2021. The model's long-lived V-twin engine has also been tweaked to make it through Euro 5 emissions regulations. The standard SV650 model will be available in white with a red frame or in black with a blue or gold frame, and the Café Racer X version gets a new gold frame, too. Ride quality and brakes. Armed with a set of clip-ons rather than the SV's flat bars, the X's sporty riding position reminds you just how impressive this V-twin middleweight's handling is. Through bends, the SV is a joy, flicking from side to side with effortless ease. On the back roads, it will destroy the softly sprung Yamaha XSR700 and probably also the Ducati Scrambler. In fact, it wouldn't embarrass itself on a track day. Engine. While we all wish Suzuki had increased the V-twin's capacity in the 2016 update to nearer 750 cubic centimeters, the SV650's engine remains a joy to use. The exhaust note is pleasingly deep, the clutch light, and the V-twin revs in a soft and assured way that builds up its power with deceptive ease. It's quick when required, but also extremely easygoing and relaxed. Reliability and build quality. The SV's engine is a thoroughly tried and tested unit, and as long as it isn't run low on oil, it is pretty much bulletproof. Suzuki's build quality is always called in for question, and fasteners and nuts and bolts show signs of corrosion quite quickly if not cared for with anti-corrosion spray. Value versus rivals. There's no getting away from the fact that the SV650X is good value for money. It's cheaper than the nearest rivals, the Yamaha XSR700 and the lowest spec Ducati Scrambler. Equipment. Retro bikes are generally quite low spec in terms of technology, and you only get ABS on the SV and no traction control or power modes. The addition of clip-on bars, a nose cone, and a tuck-and-roll seat do add to the SV650X's curb appeal. It also has easy start and low RPM assist, which is good for newer riders.